And I am headed back to Quartzsite. But first I gotta stop and get diesel. And I'm getting no snacks. I'm not doing that again. Well, plus I just ate Panda for breakfast at 8:30 in the morning. Have y'all ever done that? I'm not, I mean, I know I cook breakfast all the time, but I can't eat breakfast any time of day, but I can eat any other meal any time of day for breakfast. So it's like eating Panda this morning didn't bother me at all. Some people would be like, oh no, I gotta eat breakfast first. No. And I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I, always, about 9 o'clock's about the last time I can eat eggs. And I don't know why that is. Now, I've been thinking about if I do flat enchiladas, putting an egg on it, I think I could do that. I used to do that. My mom ate enchiladas like that, and I liked it then, but I don't know. Something about eggs are for only the morning, but a lot of people eat breakfast for dinner. So, anyway, I'm gonna stop and get diesel and then get on the road back to Q. My tent blew over somehow. Look at your hair all blowing. Oh, Sammy. Oh, gosh. Hi, Dean.
I want to say hi.
You happy? You happy to be home? Huh? I thought so. I thought so.
Oh, Sam, wait a minute.
You getting blushed?
He's getting all brushed.
You getting purty?
He's getting purty.
You getting purty?
Just a minute, buddy. We're almost through.
So I had to feed her real early this morning, like 6 o'clock, and she usually eats at 8. So now it's like 2 something. What time is it? Let's go. Let's go. So she's been bothering us for like 45 minutes. Feed me, feed me, feed me. So we're gonna give her half now and half and when our regular feeding time is. All right. Good morning. Boy, we had rain on and off all night last night. It was beautiful. The sound of rain on your RV. Yeah, I need to go fix my tent. All right, I'm gonna make some potato cakes. These are some leftover mashed potatoes that we have. I'm gonna put in an egg, a little bit of flour, mix that up, and then I'm gonna fry them. And we're gonna have some little smokies. That's what's for breakfast this morning. There's the potato cakes. Let's taste it. Pretty good. Breakfast.
Champions.
Is it good?
It's very good. Thank you.
So I am cooking Christmas dinner, a traditional Thanksgiving Christmas dinner. And I am going to make, well, I don't guess this is traditional, but I'm going to make this cheesecake. No bake original cheesecake. Yeah, it's pretty cheap versus buying a pumpkin pie for $15 or something. I think this is like $3. So I put some half and half in there. My filling. Yeah, and then I got to blend it. I got to mix it up with the mixer. Okay, I got that all mixed up. Now this mix, this mix actually comes with the graham cracker crust. So you can put it in a pie pan. I didn't have a pie pan in the RV, so I just splurged and bought graham cracker crust in a pie pan. So I'm going to put a lid on it too. So let's put the filling into the pie pan and then put it in the refrigerator and it'll be good to go. Alright, this is our Christmas dinner. I made a green bean casserole, some stuffing with chicken. Not very much chicken. There's some chicken down there if you want it. Gravy. And I've never cooked this. And I just did a little bit because I didn't want to mess with it. But y'all dig in.
Alright.
I'm thinking you did the sweet potato really good. It looks perfect.
Well, I don't know how sweet.
Oh, the potatoes are?
Yeah, because I don't really know. Like I said, I've not really ever done it. And the marshmallows should make it sweet. So.